Welcome back. Speculation is starting to build as we gear up for SpaceX to IPO about a potential merger between that company and Tesla. What could be the benefits, and are there any hurdles? Seema Mody is exploring that very question, and a big one, in today's Tech Check. Hi, Seema.
So, Kelly, we've been digging into this one really closely, myself as well as Laura Kolodny and the digital team, about this potential merger between these two companies. And what we're hearing is that Elon Musk has engaged in conversations about a potential merger between SpaceX and Tesla. As to why he might push for this, worth noting, his rewards compensation is tied to two milestones being hit, one of which is achieving a $7.5 trillion market cap. A merger with Tesla would likely get SpaceX to over $3 trillion, but folding Tesla into SpaceX does raise the question about his ability to lead what would essentially look like a diversified conglomerate that spans rockets, satellites, data centers, and cars. That doesn't seem to faze longtime SpaceX investor Tejpal Bhatia.
And I think it's been proven by Elon himself, but many others, that the days of the serial entrepreneur where they're doing one at a time, that's, of course, where all of us have to get our start, and takes that level of focus. But we've seen with several successful entrepreneurs, this parallel entrepreneurship seems to work.
Now, Musk is CEO and sits on the board of both SpaceX and Tesla, along with his brother Kimball. SpaceX board members Antonio Gracias, Steve Jurson previously sat on Tesla's board, so there is a lot of shared knowledge. We're also told engineers from both companies often collaborate on solving issues tied to energy, battery storage, compute, radiation. The feasibility of a deal may just come down to Musk himself. He certainly controls both companies, and we know with SpaceX, he has about 85% voting control.